Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and currently we are in Kakamega County it's called Elesi, and the house behind me, it has actually costed like 6 million Kenya shillings. So this house, 6 million Kenya shillings house looks like here in the village. So let's walk around and see how this beautiful, amazing, place looks like. And then here we have the this side. So we are on the finishing the painting. And that is also another community. So what do we do about this house? This place. So now we're going to stand here and have that down the view. Yeah. So here we're going to have our gallery where we have the owner will have his photos. Bring back memories.
Yeah. It's a very nice place. Putting the photos here.
Exactly. And the other unique thing about the structure is the light, the skylight.
Yeah, the natural light.
The natural light. That one makes it special. And then here we have the pantry. The pantry where you can be doing the washing and the ironing. Yeah. This is one of the bedrooms. We're just doing some painting. We also need to do some wardrobe. It's end suit.
That's cool. That's the master, or?
No, this is not the master. The master is the other side. This should be the master.
So the thing is, this house, it's not complete. It's like, 80% complete, I think. What a very good place for meditation.
Yeah.
Barbecues or anything.
Now this is what, 6 million Kenya shillings can get you. Oh, so this one brings the light inside the room.
Yeah, that one takes the light inside the master bedroom. But now we're going to have the
So basically it has every single thing.
Yeah. The beauty about it is the view you get when you're up here.
Yeah.
You can have your party here, the barbecue and all that.
So tell us more about the concept, how much it will actually, or how many rooms are here.
Now this
We've used the panels, the EPS panels. This is a new concept. It's over 10 years in Kenya currently. Originally it's from Italy. Now these panels, we buy them from the National Housing Corporation, and they are the ones sensitizing about the new construction idea. So basically we use the panels to place them on the walls. We have the wall panel and then the slab panels. So one thing about it is that it is faster to construct, and then it's affordable compared to the conventional way. Though there are challenges with the locals, very few have really adapted to the new concept.
Okay.
Now, advantage of this one is that one, it is affordable. Two, it reduces the speed of construction by almost half.
Really?
Yeah,
That's crazy.
Yeah, and then the other thing is that I think you've been inside the house. The panels itself, they work as the insulator. So when it's hot outside, the house inside is cold.
Yeah.
And when it's cold outside, the house inside is warm because of the insulating material from the EPS panels. Now the strength of this structure is also strong. It's not as the brick house. Okay. Now the way we've done this house, there are no pillars on any corner.
Yeah.
Because the panels themselves are load bearing. They can carry up to 4 floors. Here we've only done maybe a floor on top of the ground floor. So those are some of the advantages. The other thing is that it's very strong and very versatile. When you're doing the construction, you can, within the shortest time, you can make any changes.
Yeah.
So that is another beauty about the panels.
That's cool.
So this house here is about 6 bedrooms. 6 bedroom. You have the master bedroom, and then we have other three floors, three bedrooms up here. The master bedroom is ensuite. The other 2 are also ensuite, and then we have the common room. And then on the ground floor, we have 2 bedrooms. That is the guest room, and then the other bedroom, which is not ensuite. We have the sunken lounge, and then the dining hall. So in terms of cost, up to this level, we are not yet done, but up to this level, we have spent about 6 million to do this construction. Yeah.
That's less than $60,000. That's people would dream of
And
building a house.
when you look at, you've walked through the rooms, you realize that the rooms are bigger.
Yeah,
Yeah.
actually big.
Unfortunately, you've not gone into the master bedroom.
Yeah.
It's way much bigger. So that one itself shows you that the cost has been reduced drastically. If you would have been going to the conventional method, it would have been more than that. Now the other unique thing about this is now the glasses.
Yeah,
you
the
have your
glasses,
natural light. We are not intending to have the electricity. Our plan is to use the solar panels,
Oh, cool.
Oh, cool.
and then
Where will you place them?
we will place them up there.
Okay.
We want to go green, and then all the rainwater that drops here, we've channeled them to one place. So we intend to capture everything so that we don't waste anything.
Yeah.
That's cool. And what's this new method of building called exactly?
The panels are called expanded polystyrene material. I'll share photos. I have photos of how we started this construction from the foundation to up to where we are right now. I'm going to share with you photos maybe.
That's cool.
Yeah. Completing it to 100%, how much is it?
We are anticipating, let's talk of 7 million.
7 million.
7
million, yeah.
That's
So-
a very affordable
Yeah,
house.
it's a very affordable house. Like, how many floors?
2 floors.
2 floors.
The ground floor,
2
the
floors
ground
for
floor
7
and first
million and 6 bedrooms.
floor. 6 bedroom.
Yo.
And is there
That's-
any concern with like the longevity of it?
The longevity now, this concept, this house is supposed to go for 100 years.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
In terms of strength, you're up here, you can feel it's very, very strong.
Yeah.
I've had training with one of my mentors. He's the one who introduced me. I had passion in construction even when I was still a little boy.
Yeah.
So I think that is how I found myself into construction.
Okay.
And taking a lot of short courses because this concept is still new in Kenya.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And,
it's very new.
very few people are doing it. But we also thank the National Housing who've been helpful, giving us training, assisting us, giving us clients. That's how, I mean, we happen to be here. Through connection, through good work, through referrals. Yeah. Preparing because we're having the party.
Yeah.
So maybe she can speak.
Yeah.
Welcome to our home.
Yeah.
My name is Jessica.
Jessica.
Jessica Muhande. Moab is now the father to the man.
Yeah.
The way they are staying here,
Yeah.
these are people who can survive for almost over a month without buying anything from the shop.
From the shop,
Really?
yeah.
Because they have
You just plant.
they plant the vegetables here. They have the bananas.
They have the cows.
They have the cows. They have the
You have the maize.
maize and all. Maybe you can walk through and
Yeah.
Welcome.
Completely self-sustaining.
and the mother is a
Complex.
farmer.
Serious farmer.
Serious farmer. Now, that was ready. Are you seeing the knives?
Yeah.
Whenever you see many knives, you know there is a party.
Yeah. I don't know if I've filmed before. This is the house that I was living in before. It's now where the mom came.
Now in here, you see the chicken
Oh wow, they got a lot of chicken.
and the guinea farm. You also have the guinea. So this mom's project.
Wow.
So inside here, you have a cow. These are now the cows. We think you want to feed them.
Hey guys. Oh wow, there's more over there.
So
Cows are always so chill.
they plant the napier. Here is where they shred them
Yeah.
and then give it to the cows.
The cows.
Now they separate the bulls from the female.
Oh yeah.
Be careful, this one is very aggressive.
This cow?
Yeah, it's called rhino. It's called rhino.
Rhino.
So this one is kept purely for the mating.
Okay.
But around here they also do bullfighting. Remember that?
You remember I told you about the bullfighting?
Yeah.
The bullfighting. So this one can't go because the horns are small.
Oh, okay.
There are those ones. So here we have the biogas, where they get their energy. This is the biogas. So mom uses it for cooking.
Okay.
So you see the cow dung.
Yeah.
The cow dung, the one Hamza collect from the cows.
Yeah.
They come here and use it to generate
Power.
gas for cooking.
That's cool.
Yeah.
They don't need electricity.
They don't need
Let
electricity.
nothing go to waste.
So these ones, the byproducts, the sludge, it is dried. Okay.
Yeah.
After being dried, then it's spread. You see that those ones are now dried.
Yeah.
Those ones are ready to be spread in the garden.
Yeah, for like manure or something.
Yeah. So we are ready for the party. These are the mamas. Yeah, even the cock knows that there is party. One of the rest that don't come near. These guys are having knives.
Yeah.
they'll slit your throat.
Yeah.
Come and see their kitchen. So these are the vegetables.
Oh, nice.
Okay. There is a vegetable. And then these are not the firewoods.
Yeah.
If they're not using the gas, okay, this is how they dry them,
Wow, okay.
using smoke.
Okay.
And then they use the firewood using this method.
Like that, yeah.
Okay? And then if you want drinking water, at times they don't have electricity, we use the pot. Remember I told you that this place is renowned for making these pots.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So the pots make the water cold.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
very cold.
Very cold.
Keeps it cold. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so this is the main house
Nice.
for the parents. Apparently, the son has to go the other side.
Yeah.
So
It's
he
time
has
to move out.
Yeah, he has become a grown-up now.
Guys, we've actually, gone for the tour of the big house, and we've shown you how the Luya community actually stay here. And the way we talked, if you want to have a house like that, just get in touch with him. Facebook,
Lawrence Asprilla Wio.
yeah, and his number is just, his business number is just down
The
at
company name is Sprilla Solutions Limited.
Oh, cool. You've heard that. Just go search it. Then, get in touch with him. So that's it about the house tour. Thank you so much. I still have my friend Rory here. Make sure you check out his channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time,